I want to talk to you today about the power of your mind. I think that a lot of us don't realize how powerful our minds can be, and it's not really our fault because we never got taught at school how to think properly. When you utilize the power of your brain, I'm a really big believer that once you put your mind to something, you really can achieve it. And I think that when we learn to feed our brain with the right thinking, we can achieve so much more than we give ourselves credit for. I say this a lot, and I'm sure all the men are going to giggle, but your brain is the most powerful muscle in your body. And my point today is I want you to utilize your mind correctly. In other words, just for today, why don't you try thinking correctly? In other words, reframing things when they're negative. Start to become conscious and aware of your thinking and start to think about what you're thinking about, and make sure that you're feeding your brain really good thoughts throughout the day. And I promise you, it's going to be the first step into feeling better.